Hi third graders, today we're going to learn how to create our very own anemometer. As we know by now, an anemometer is a scientific tool that can measure the speed of the wind. Okay, so for this activity, you're going to need about 5 paper cups. It's recommended to have smaller 3-ounce cups, but I don't have that, so just work with what you have. So I'm using bigger paper cups. So I got 5 of them. You're gonna need 2 straws, okay, a tack, and a sharpened pencil that has an eraser on it. You're also gonna need a hole puncher to make this easier. I don't have a hole puncher, so I'm just gonna use either my tack or my pencil to poke holes in what I need to do. So for one of the cups, first I'm gonna poke holes into each side, 4 sides of the cup. So one here, one here, one here, and one here. If you have a hole puncher, just use the hole puncher. It'll be easier. If you're doing it my way, it might take a little longer, but that's okay. I'm doing the holes just below the rim of the cup. I'm going to try to make them opposite each other as best I can. Okay, next I'm going to take my 2 straws and put them through the holes. Here's one. Okay, now in each of the cups that I have left, I'm gonna poke 2 holes next to each other. You can use your hole puncher or your sharp pencil like me. So I'm poking 2 holes close to each other. I'm going to repeat this for all of the rest of my cups. So here's 1, I have 3 left to do. Now that all my remaining cups have holes in them, I'm going to put them on a straw. So I managed to get my first cup on. This is what it should look like. I'm going to do this for all the cups, and you want to make sure each cup faces the same way. So clockwise or counterclockwise, you want them to all face the same way. So here's 1. Now I'm going to put on all the others. Okay, I managed to get each cup on a straw. Notice that all the cups are in a circular pattern. They're all chasing each other or facing the same way. Okay, now I'm flipping it over. And I've got my sharp pencil and I'm poking a hole in the bottom of my original cup. Okay, this is many times I'm filming this, so the hole is already there, but you're gonna take your pencil and you're gonna poke all the way down and make sure that your eraser can stick through the bottom. Okay, see, the eraser of my pencil is sticking through the hole I've made in my cup to now that it's right below the 2 straws. I'm going to take my push pin next and I'm going to stick it through the red straw and then the blue straw and then into the eraser of the pencil. Okay, so I stuck the push pin through the straws into the eraser and I did it just loose enough so that if I wanted to, my cups could spin. If it's not spinning for you, then you have your push pin in too tight. If you have a small automatic fan at home, you can try putting that at different speeds and seeing how your anemometer reacts. I don't have a small personal fan, so I'm just going to use my built-in fan and blow air on it and see what happens. Pretty cool. So with my own built-in wind, I can see that it rotates. And then if I'm outside on a windy day, I can see how fast does the anemometer spin, which means higher wind speeds. Okay, I hope you have fun trying this at home. This took me many attempts to build this. That's part of being an engineer. It could take a while before you get a product that you're happy with, but that's also part of the fun, part of the experimenting, and part of the learning. Let me know how it goes for you.